Some Gold IRA companies promise thousands of dollars in free silver. But what's really going on behind the scenes? It might sound generous, but in many cases, this is just a bait and switch. The silver may be free, but the fees, markups, or minimum purchase requirements make up for it, and then some. Here's what it can actually look like. Company A gives no bonuses but keeps spreads low. With this one, you're just down 5K at the start. But Company B adds 10K in free silver, but with a 25% spread, your real value drops to just 82,500. That's a $17,500 hit on day one, just to break even. So is that silver really free? Or are you paying for it in ways you don't see upfront? I've linked a free guide in the description. It explains exactly how these bait and switch tactics work and how to spot them before you open a gold IRA. This guide is completely free and gives you the knowledge to protect your retirement savings. Click the link in the description to grab your copy of the free Silver Scheme report and avoid falling for offers that look good but cost more than you think.